How to improve your English fast. Hello everyone, and welcome back. If you have been learning English for a long time, but still feel that you are not making enough progress, don't worry. Many learners feel the same way. The good news is that improving your English does not depend on talent. It depends on having the right habits and practicing every day. In this video, I will share some practical and effective tips that can help you improve your English faster. Whether you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, these strategies can make a big difference if you follow them consistently. Let's get started. 1. Practice every day. The most important secret to learning English is consistency. You don't need to study for 5 hours every day. Even 30 minutes of focused practice is enough if you do it regularly. Think about brushing your teeth. You do it every day because it is a habit. Learning English should become one of your daily habits too. Try reading for 10 minutes, listening for 10 minutes, and speaking for 10 minutes every day. Small daily progress leads to big results over time. 2. Listen more than you think. Listening is one of the fastest ways to improve your English. Listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, movies, TV shows, and audiobooks. At first, you won't understand everything. That is completely normal. Don't stop the video every few seconds. Instead, try to understand the main idea. As your listening improves, your vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar will improve naturally. The more English you hear, the more natural it becomes. 3. Read every day. Reading helps you discover new words and sentence structures. Read stories, news articles, blogs, or simple English books. Choose topics that interest you. If you enjoy cooking, read recipes. If you like sports, read sports articles. Learning becomes much easier when you enjoy the content. Don't translate every single word. Guess the meaning from the context whenever possible. 4. Speak without being afraid. Many learners know English grammar, but are afraid to speak. Remember this. You don't learn to speak by staying silent. You learn by speaking. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am making breakfast. I am cleaning my room. I am going to the supermarket. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Mistakes are part of learning. 5. Learn vocabulary and sentences. Never memorize long lists of isolated words. Instead, learn words inside useful sentences. For example, don't just learn the word hungry. Learn the sentence, I am hungry. Let's have lunch. When you learn complete sentences, you also learn grammar naturally. It becomes much easier to remember new vocabulary. 6. Review regularly. Many students learn new words, but forget them after a few days. Review is the solution. Go back to yesterday's vocabulary. Review last week's lessons. Read your notes again. Repetition moves information from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. 7. Think in English. One of the best habits is thinking in English. Instead of translating everything into your native language, try thinking directly in English. Ask yourself simple questions. What am I doing now? What will I do tomorrow? What did I eat today? This habit trains your brain to use English naturally. Write a short paragraph every day. You don't need to write a long essay. Keep a daily
Just write
English
about your
journal.
day.
For example, today I woke up early. I made breakfast. Then I studied English for 1 hour. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and improve your grammar. Nine, shadow native speakers. Shadowing is one of the best pronunciation techniques. Choose a short video. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat exactly like the speaker. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Repeat many times. Your pronunciation will improve much faster than simply reading. 10. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every English speaker has made mistakes. Children make thousands of mistakes before they speak fluently. Learning a language is exactly the same. Don't let fear stop you. Every mistake teaches you something new. The important thing is to continue. 11. Set clear goals. Instead of saying, I want to learn English, say, I want to learn 20 new words this week. Or, I will watch one English video every day. Small goals are easier to achieve. They also keep you motivated. 12. Enjoy the process. Learning English should not feel like punishment. Watch funny videos. Listen to your favorite songs. Read stories you enjoy. Play games in English. The more fun you have, the more you will learn. Remember that learning English is a journey. There will be good days and difficult days. Some days you will feel confident. Other days you may feel frustrated. That is completely normal. Don't compare yourself with other learners. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Every new word you learn is progress. Every conversation you have is progress. Every page you read is progress. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. One day, you will realize that you understand English without translating. You will speak with confidence. You will watch movies without subtitles. And you will communicate with people from all over the world. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing English every day, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.